Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the insert key on HP Victus 16. You can see on the keyboard there is the insert key right here. And I'm gonna show you that in a text editor because the insert key is actually the most useful in text editors. So let's just open the notepad, for example, and as I type in, for example, name and dots, then you can see if I point my cursor in front of these dots, typing in anything will shift the dots, but when I press on the insert key, it will actually replace them. So sometimes it just is great. You can see now without the insert and with the insert it will replace the dots. Then you can, for example, turn the insert off, type in surname, but then you can change your mind. For example, delete the name with the delete key, so backspace deletes what's on the left side and delete what's on the right side. Then go to the beginning of it, click on insert and replace the sir with, for example, age. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.